Hello! This video is about how to complete a lesson in a Maine Roads to Quality on-demand training. This video is about the annual renewal of the Child Care Development Fund Health and Safety Training. You will also hear this called the CCDF Health and Safety Training. This is part 2 in a series of 4 videos about this training. The navigation bar is on the left side of the screen. The navigation bar helps you go through the training and access content. To begin the training content, you first select Lesson 1 Microlearning on the navigation bar. Then you select Enter. When you select Enter, the training content will begin to play. We will do this now. You can select the button in the bottom left to play or pause the lesson. The replay button looks like an arrow going in a circle. You can replay anything by either dragging along the bar or selecting the replay button to start from the beginning. You can select the next button in the bottom right corner to go to the next page of the lesson, which we will do now. The words that are being said are shown in 2 ways. You can select the CC button to use closed captions to show the words. You can also see the words on the left side of the screen. Now that we are on the second slide of the lesson, there's a previous button. You can use this button to go back to any slides that you want to see again. After you keep selecting Next and reviewing the content, it will look like this screen when you finish the lesson. The screen will say Conclusion, and it has a couple of tasks for you. If you want to learn more, scroll up and click Resources at the top right of the screen. You do not have to do this. To exit once you are finished, select the blue Exit Activity button in the top right of the screen, which we will do now. You will know you have finished the lesson if there is a green filled in dot next to Lesson 1 Microlearning in the navigation bar. We have the green dot because we have completed the lesson. For each lesson, you must complete the microlearning before you take the quiz. Part 3 of this series is a video on how to complete a quiz in this training. If you have any questions, please contact mrtq.training@maine.edu.